Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here again, owner of Axion. Another part review today, this one for the newer Civic Type R and the DE5 Integra Type S. We're gonna go over the PRL intercooler pipes and the beautiful billet PRL intercooler. This thing is massive, so tune in for the whole video. Just gonna talk about it real quick, show you guys in detail the billet end tanks, why this one's superior versus some of the other ones. And we'll get into it a little bit more and get you the info you need. We've got tons of these in stock, both. We just don't have the black ones right now. They're about a 3-week wait, but you can order online. We'll leave the links below in the description. So yeah, let's check out some great products from PRL. All right, guys, here it is. And it's beautiful Glory billet end tank. This thing is massive. And of course, you're gonna see the PRL logo on this side. Just absolutely beautiful. You've got your mounting tabs here. This works with stock intercooler piping and also works with the PRL aftermarket kit. Let's kind of look at some of these pipes. You've got your couplers here. The stock ones just have so much, if you squeeze in on them, they bend a lot, they're very soft. These are so much firmer. Comes with all your clamps here. It's gonna be your outlet off the turbo that you need to change up. And then that'll be the hot side basically. You have your coupler for the hot side, goes in the intercooler over here. And it gets cooled down by this massive, beautiful core and goes back up here into your throttle body. You've got their aluminum pipe here. Comes with all the fittings already on here. And you've also got a bung for your meth injection, if you ever want to add meth injection. So it's a really nice kit. And it's our favorite for the car. It's the only one right now that's on the market. This intercooler is a huge necessity for the Type R guys. It should be actually probably, if not like the second or third mod you do to the car, because these cars, you know, back-to-back pulls, the stock intercooler just can't keep up with the amount of heat, especially when you start doing some of the revised tunes with the Honda. You just start pushing a lot of hot air with that smaller turbo. So definitely good. And you know what, summer's coming. Why lose about another 10, 20 horsepower when you can just upgrade to this beauty? And it looks great behind the grill. All right, like I said, guys, it's in stock. Hope you guys liked the video. It's just a quick one today. Wanted to show you that, number one, we have it in stock and they're ready to go. We usually do about 2 to 4 day shipping, depending on where you're buying from in the States. Our stuff ships out from the East Coast and also West Coast. So we have 2 different locations that we ship from to try and cut down on shipping times, so we can kind of keep up with Amazon and battle it out with those guys. Anyways, make sure to do a big thumbs up on the video. We want to kind of get the content out there for everyone, and the more thumbs up you do, it just gives us our video a lot more watch and puts it out there for people to kind of stumble across. So I'll leave the links below. Go ahead and order up. Till next time.